Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Gemini as virtual assistant in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to switch or change your virtual assistant to Google Assistant Gemini, so let's see how can you do this. Here you just have to press and hold your power button to activate your this assistant, and here you can see there's Google Assistant, and now I'm going to change it or switch it to Gemini Live. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google app, and here just tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and here just select settings. From settings, just scroll down and you will get Google Assistant option. Tap on it and then scroll down again and look for digital assistants from Google. And here you just have to select Gemini, then select switch to change your virtual assistant. Here just tap on use Gemini. In this way you can easily change or use Gemini Live. So let's see how. Now whenever you want to activate your assistant, you will get Gemini Live just like that. So that's how you can easily use Gemini as virtual assistant in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.